Pedagogy and Evaluation, questions 85 to 100. Educational Psychology. 85. According to Piaget, a child develops the ability to think abstractly during the A. Sensoromotor stage, B. Preoperational stage, C. Concrete operational stage, D. Formal operational stage. 86. Who proposed the theory of the zone of proximal development, ZPD? A. Skinner, B. Vygotsky, C. Piaget, D. Brunner. 87. The process of learning through reinforcement is associated with A. Constructivism, B. Behaviorism, C. Humanism, D. Gestalt psychology. 88. Which psychologist proposed the trial and error theory of learning? A. Pavlov, B. Thorndike, C. Skinner, D. Brunner. Teaching methodology. 89. Which teaching method is most suitable for developing scientific attitude among students? A. Lecture method, B. Demonstration method, C. Inquiry method, D. Dictation method. 90. Which of the following is a learner-centered method of teaching? A. Lecture method, B. Project method, C. Dictation method, D. Drill method. 91. A biology teacher uses laboratory experiments to verify scientific principles. This method is called A. Lecture method, B. Demonstration method, C. Experimental method, D. Storytelling method. 92. Which teaching aid is most suitable for explaining the human heart? A. Audio recording, B. Chalk only, C. Three-dimensional model, D. Dictionary. Assessment and evaluation. 93. Formative assessment is mainly used to A. Rank students, B. Improve learning during teaching, C. Award certificates, D. Conduct board examinations. 94. Which assessment is conducted before starting instruction to identify prior knowledge? A. Summative assessment, B. Placement assessment, C. Formative assessment, D. Terminal assessment. 95. Bloom's taxonomy includes which of the following domains? A. Cognitive, B. Affective, C. Psychomotor, D. All of the above. 96. Continuous assessment mainly helps teachers to A. Improve classroom teaching, B. Punish students, C. Reduce attendance, D. Conduct only final examinations. Inclusive education and ICT. 97. Inclusive education emphasizes A. Teaching only gifted students, B. Separate classrooms for CWSN, C. Equal learning opportunities for all learners, D. Excluding slow learners. 98. ICT in education primarily aims to A. Replace teachers, B. Enhance teaching learning through technology, C. Reduce student participation, D. Eliminate classroom interaction. NEP 2020 and Professional Ethics. 99. The National Education Policy, NEP 2020 promotes A. Rote memorization, B. Competency-based learning, C. Only annual examinations, D. Teacher-centered learning. 100. An effective teacher should A. Encourage questioning and critical thinking, B. Discourage classroom interaction, C. Depend only on textbooks, D. Avoid using teaching aids.